Masantos Yaago. Sa ngaran ko at Andy. Antoy Bilay. Good day. My name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Pangasinan language.
Pangasinan.
The Pangasinan language, also known as Salitan Pangasinan, is an Austronesian language of the Malayo-Polynesian branch, predominantly spoken in the province of Pangasinan in the Philippines. It is mutually unintelligible with neighboring languages like Ilocano and Kapampangan, though it has borrowed vocabulary from Spanish, Ilocano, and Tagalog due to centuries of contact. Pangasinan has its own rich vocabulary, poetic traditions, and oral literature, and while it has declined in everyday use among younger generations, there are ongoing revitalization efforts to promote its teaching and preservation in schools and media. The Pangasinan people, also referred to as Pangasinenses, are one of the major ethno-linguistic groups in the northern Philippines. They are primarily concentrated in Pangasinan province, but are also found in parts of La Union, Tarlac, and Zambales. Historically, the Pangasinenses were known for their coastal trade, salt making, from which their name derives, asin means salt, and rich pre-colonial kingdoms such as the Kingdom of Caboloan. They are ethnically distinct but have intermingled with Ilocano, Tagalog, and Chinese communities over centuries of migration and colonization. Pangasinan culture reflects a blend of indigenous traditions and colonial influences, known for their hospitality, industriousness, and strong family values. The Pangasinenses celebrate vibrant festivals like Pistay Dayat or Sea Festival and Bangus Festival, which honor their maritime heritage and agricultural abundance. Traditional crafts include pottery, salt making, and bamboo weaving, while cuisine features dishes such as pigar-pigar, kalaskas, and boneless bangus. Religion plays a central role, with Catholicism deeply embedded alongside remnants of pre-colonial beliefs. Music, dance, and storytelling continue to be important in expressing communal identity and history. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their language. Numbers.
Isa, sakoy, dua, duara, alo, alora, apat, apatira, lima, limara, anom, anomira, pito, pitora, walo, walora, siyam, siyamira, samplo, samplora.
Greetings and phrases.
Masantos yakabosan or maabig yakabosan. Masantos yangaem or maabig yangaem. Masantos yalabi or maabig yalabi. Masantos yaago or maabig yaago. Kumusta? Or anoy bilay, maungot, sikaoy, abayab aamta, amtay nananang anoy ngaran mo, sa ngaran uot, taga-ino taga-kaino, taga-aud, makasalita kay Pangasinan, or andi, balog asalamat, ang apoy wala. Inaarot aka, nakatalusan o. Ang ko nakatalusan. Amtak, ampo amta. Labay o. Ang ko labay. Tabi pa, pasinsyala. Angan o. Siguro.
Vocabulary.
Siyak, sika, sikato, sikatayo, sikami, sikayo, sikara, saya, saan, saman, dia, litan, liman, ama, ina, laki, bai, agin laki, agin bii, anak alaki, anak kabii, totoo, laki, bii, kaaro, banambangag, bumabagat, estudyante, manaaral, maka, layag, ulong, sangi, ngipon, olo, buwak, lupa, lima, sali, aso, pusa, baboy, baka, karneo, kabayo, otot, manok, siwit, suwit, manok, sira, rosas, bulaklak, dika, kiyo, ulong, bunga, abalanga, asul, inanagan, luyaw, birdi, ampasiseng, amputi, andekot, ngaran, agaw, labi, aon, agaw, badwa, bulan, bitiwon, apoy, danong, dagong, dalin, awon, dayat, palandoy, takal, awigi, hawanan, uloy, tan, no, lapud, daan, palo, malangwer.
The Parable of the Prodigal Son.
Intuloy na ni Jesus, walay sakay alakin dwaray ilalakton lalaki. Inkway yugtan ed kinan amato, Ama, iteryo palad siyak natan so tawir ko. Inapagnan ama sirin iray kayaryan to ed saramay dwaran ilalakto. Kalabas na pigaran agaw, inlako to may yugtan so apagto. Insan linmad arawin pasen, adiman to dinarak so kwarta to, jad aliwa-liwan panagbilay. Nan agastos to nan ami kwarta to, sin mabibalag ya eras at saman apasan. Kanyan ang gapulay na gastos to. Linman agikimay at sakay at tuod saman apasan. Tan samay tuo imbakiton manasikasoy baboy. Labay to kumon at tempayay eras to, na anggan say kupag akakanay baboy, balet ang gapoy mangiter at sikato. Nan anunutan to'y maong, inkwantod sikaton dili, amin daray katulong na amak, dugay kakananda, masulok ni ingat, siyak balet, wadyan papatilad oras. Say maong, umpawil akad amak, tan agoon ko'y inpang kasalanan ko Diyos, tan jad sikara. Ibagaknin ag-akla manapag at tawagan day anak. Tan karawan ko yaanggan ibilang daaklan sakay ed saray katulong da. In malagay sirin taunlalan umpawil ed kinan amato. Arawinid abong nan anangnang nan amato. At tanyag sa puso nan amato. Kanyan inabot ton mambabtik. Nilakap to'y anak to. Tan inanguban to. Ama, kuhanan anak, nang kasalanan na ka Diyos, tanjad si kayo. Ag-akla manapag at tawagan yon anak yo. Balet, tinawag nan amaray katulong to tan inkwanto. Ganatan yo, awit yu jay sang karakapan akawos, tan isulong yod si kato. Sulungan yo'y singsing tan itdan yo'y sandalya. Patay yu may pinataban kilaw abaka, ta mangantan manlikat itayo. Ta inatayan anak ko, balet mabilayla. Abalang, balet nalmula. Gimaposirin so panlilikat da. Sa may panguluan balet, walad alog. Nun unsusempet tan asinggerlad abong, nadngel to'y tugtog, tan anang nang to'y sayawan. Tinawag to'y sakay at saramay katulong, tan tinupot to no anto'y nagagawa. Pinmawil amabilay imay agim, tan anggapoy sakit. Ubato may katulong. Kanyan impapatay ng amam imay pinataban baka. Jad pasnok to may panguluan, agto unloob ad abong. Dinagonan amato tan kinaroton unloob la. Balet inkwantod kinan amato. Nanlingkor ak asinga aripan ed si kayon pigapigay taon. Ang gapon ni ganggan yon sinumlang ko. Antoy interyo siya. Ang gapuy anggan kanding apan lilikatan miray kakaarok. Balet satan ya anak yo, dinarak turay amin akayaryan yo, ed marurutak abibii. Natan tapin mawil, pinatuyoy pinataban bakad kilaw para si kato. Anak ko, kway ama, wadyakan naynay ed abong, tan kayaryan mo ray amin akayaryan ko. Balet nakaukulan aman liket tan mampista itayo. Ta inatayay agim, balet mabilayla, abalang, balet nalmula.